Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how I know when my hair needs a protein treatment, and I'm going to also show you all of my protein treatments. So guys, you see that I have on a skull cap. When I go to work every day, I wear a skull cap in the winter time, and I'll wear a satin bonnet underneath. That is to help me prevent from breaking my hair when I take my cap off. But I have a little bit of breakage in the top, and it's due to one or two reasons. First reason is probably because it's time for a protein treatment. When my hair starts breaking, that's when I know that it's time for a protein treatment. And the other way would be the reason why it's, kind of broken off up here is because the way I'm taking off my skull cap. Now, I know I'm supposed to take my skull cap off from back to front, or even from front to back, but never like this. Never pull it up like this, because you're accidentally grabbing hair inside your cap. Okay, so let me show you how I'm supposed to take it off. Well, it's supposed to go off like this, but I do remember a few times that I just took it off. So take it off like that, and then take off my bonnet. So I'm going to show you the breakage, like right here. Usually my crown gets it the most. And I noticed also there's like a little bit of hair that's growing in. I thought I broke that off too, but I had a bald spot back in May of 2018, and I scratched the bald spot in my hair. So I think that's what that spot is. I think my hair is growing back in that spot, which is pretty good. But this is how I know when I need a protein treatment. Now, a lot of people say, "Oh, Nezi, that might be just fuzzies." Everything is not fuzzies. I don't think that's fuzzies. It's because I need a protein treatment. Also, what I need to stop doing is, because I get lazy, I like to put my hair in large plaits just to save on time. So I only have like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plaits. Now, the more braids I have, the less breakage I have. So I'll give you an example. If I was to have like another braid here, instead of like this, when I part my hair like this, that means that my hair is separated more, and that causes tension and breakage right here because I don't have anything to support it. But if I would have had another braid here and another braid here, it wouldn't probably break as easily because the hair is more together as a unit, and it's more strong and has a better bond. But when I part my hair and have my hair, I pull it down like this and braid it, and pull it down like this and braid it, I always tend to get a little breakage up there. I'm looking at it through my viewfinder. So if you see me looking this way, that's what that is. I'm looking at myself. Even with the back, I need to have more braids in my hair versus bigger braids. Same thing with children. I see a lot of mommies have their babies. The baby's hair is not that long. It's very little hair, but they'll take their little bitty hair and create these ponytails way over here. And every time you see breakage around the perimeter, breakage around here, and probably around other parts of their hair. So for babies and children, it is best to have more braids, more plaits, more twists if they have shorter hair. So the more you have in your hair, less tension, less breakage. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my 4 protein treatments. I forgot that I had 4. I knew I had 2 or 3, but I forgot about 1. And I have one right here that I am just going to go on and use up because I've been holding on to it for a long time. This is my Mega Growth. It's by Perfective Mega Growth. And I just really want to just hurry up and get rid of it. So this is what this looks like. It's kind of creamy. I like the little smell. Looks like that. And you're wondering, how often do I get protein treatments? I usually give myself protein treatments lately, these last few years, twice a year. And sure enough, it's that time. So the last time I did one, I had actually did a tutorial, and I forgot, maybe it was a year ago or 9 to 10 months ago, but I'll have it linked to this video. So if you want to see how I put it in my hair, you'll be able to see that. But yeah, that's what that looks like. So when I first started my journey, I started off with doing protein treatments. I was on it for like every 3 weeks, every 2 to 3 weeks, because I had color in my hair. It was severely damaged, and that's what protein treatments are. Protein treatments are conditioners that strengthen the hair. It adds protein back in your hair to give you strength and less breakage when you style your hair. Now, sometimes your hair can be so hard after using your protein treatment, but you know, you're supposed to always add a moisturizing deep conditioner on it after you do your protein treatment. So you can do your moisturizing conditioner after you rinse out your protein treatment the same day or on the next day, or the next wash rather. I'm sorry, the next wash. The moisturizing conditioner helps balance out that protein, and it kind of like give it a nice balance. Now, people tell you I can't use protein treatments, they break my hair, they do this and they do that. My hair needs it, especially my crown. My crown is in the three type texture, as you guys say. This crown can't take all that. Back here can't take all that. So to have that healthy balance for my hair, I need protein treatments. So yeah, that was my mega growth. Oh, a little mess right there. So here goes my other one. Now, you guys have seen me use this one. This is my old school one. This is the one I've always used from the beginning of my journey. This is the Motions CPR Professional Treatment Conditioner. And like I said, protein treatments is nothing but a conditioner. It's very earthy and creamy. Now, this one will strengthen your hair. This one has like a light strengthening to your hair, and you can tell when it strengthens it because it is hard to comb and it's hard to blow dry out to get straight. But that's what this looks like. It's also creamy. It's like a beigey color, earthy toned conditioner. This is one of my favorites. And yeah, you can use any protein treatment. You don't have to use the ones I'm showing you. I'm just sharing. I'm not recommending. I am sharing what I have so you can have a guideline and you know, something to look forward to if you decide to get one. A lot of people use mayo and eggs and they go in the refrigerator and they mix, and they be in the lab mixing stuff. I'm not a mixer. I need to go to the store. Okay, so here's my other one, another Motions CPR Protein Reconstructor. It's critical protection and repair for all textures. This is really good for your hair if it's breaking, if you have color in your hair, if you do a lot of heat, if you do a lot of tension type styles. Protein treatments put that protein back in it and strengthen it. So yeah, so let's see what this looks like. It's coming out. Oh, this one looks like lotion. They kind of like almost look alike, but yeah, this one looks like lotion. And last but not least, here goes my other protein treatment. I like this one because it comes in a big bottle. It smells good and fruity. This is the ORS Olive Oil Professional Replenishing Conditioner. I've been using this from the beginning of my journey. And I've been on my journey since 2000 and I started in 2010. Yeah, December 2010. Old school. So this is really good. You can go, this is light or it can be heavy. So you can put it in your hair. It'll come off as a light strengthener, or you want it to be heavy. It can make your hair real strong. I like this one because, like I said, I like the smell, and it's pretty. It's yellow. Everybody likes yellow. So yeah, guys, those are my favorite protein treatments. But once I use this up, won't be getting this anymore. Probably don't really need this one either. I think somebody gave this to me though. This is the Reconstructive Protein Reconditioner. And I'm going to stick to my old school original ones that I've always used from the beginning of my journey, which are these two, Motions and ORS. Which one do I like the best? I tend to kind of like gravitate to this one. But when I want to feel like I'm a natural girl and I want to be organic and earthy, I'll go to this one. So I like to have a variety of products in my stash because I'm a variety girl and I have moods, and sometimes I want to just switch things up. They all do the same thing. no big thing. I mean, if you want to use one or the other, you're still gonna get a good result. Okay, so how long do you leave the protein treatment in your hair? It depends on how damaged your hair is. When I first started, I think I used to leave it in there probably 10 or 15 minutes. But like now, probably is still 10 or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, because it takes me that amount of time to put it in my hair, and then I'll let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'll rinse it back out. Don't ever try to blow dry your hair and flat iron it right after that. From my experience, it is so hard for your teeth to go through from your blow dryer, and once you try to comb it, you can feel your hair going, and you might end up breaking your hair. So you have to be real careful once you use a protein treatment, and always follow up with a moisturizing conditioner. Okay guys, that is it. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. My alarm is going off. Let me know it's time for me to go. And I do want to mention this too. No, do I want to mention this? No, that is it. I'll mention it in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.